I already started trying to take the curls out, but I was like, let me put it on camera. I washed it, air dried it, and I just curled it. This hair holds curls like a fucking champ. I haven't curled it. I'm in a rush. It's New Year's Eve, so I just wanted to be cute, at least a little bit. And I know that this hair is really easy to like style, so for the new year, we going in style, finesse, grace. Okay, see, good idea that I took it out before anything else, because low-key, some of them didn't curl right. But I was rushing. Like, you see this bump right here? Like, what is that? Not for the new year. Not for the new year, sweetie pie. Try it again some other time. I know I'm gonna see Yolissa hair on this channel again and again and again if this is what they have to offer, so. Okay, see, easy. The hair is so easy. This hair is so easy to maintain. It's just so beautiful. I mean, you could just see it. It's really beautiful. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's freaking fire. If you're looking for a wig to get bombshell curls out of, this one, because I literally just did this whole wig in like 20 minutes. That means gluing it down and everything. 20 minutes, y'all. Gluing it down, trying to lay my baby hairs, even though y'all know I'm not that good at baby hairs. I don't know how y'all do it, to be honest. I've been combing my fingers through it, but it's gonna keep this curl the whole night. So, and that's my favorite part about it, is like the fact that it holds your beautiful curls the whole night. That's not a lot to ask for, right? I don't think it is anyways. If I was to give it a rating, I would give it 10 stars. 10 whole stars. Full, whole 10 stars. Because even though it's common sense to have these qualities in a wig, a lot of companies don't. For it to be a wig that I didn't put any like extra bundles in or anything like that, it has perfect amount of volume. It's just super nice, bouncy, flowy. You guys are gonna see this video way after the new year, but Happy New Year. If you were asking like, hey, do you recommend if I buy this wig? Yes, you will be happy with it, trust me. A straightener, if you know how to use it to curl your hair, girl, you'll be so happy with it. It's easy, breezy. This eyelash trying to do jumping jacks. So yes, I do recommend this hair. I'm gonna put all the links where you can find it down below in the description box for your convenience. You already know how I do. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how it looks from the sides and the back. Alright, you guys, go out and do wonderful things in the world and make sure no drama comes from anybody but me, because I'm your baby mama. I love you. Over in the description box, if you're looking for new hair, try this one out. Okay, bye. God put a smile on my face.
God put the smile on my face.
God make me shine like the sun.
God make me shine like the sun.
Sometimes I feel like I'm the one.
Sometimes I feel like
it ain't my fault.